one or both of the MFers fucked my car up, somebody better come up with a name by the end of the day.
I'm sorry, but the person you called has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet.
I got here and there's only 3 mirrors.
It says it's not expected arrival until April 10th.
April 10th, fuck. Shit. So, thought we were coming in today to kind of lay out all of our materials, all the kitchen stuff, all the bathroom stuff, all the flooring, but it seems like we had miscommunication with the building supplier. So, kind of a bust on the prep work today, but I'm just here also just checking out the demo from last week, making sure that everything got done that needed to get done. So when this order does get here next week, we'll be able to kind of place it in where it's supposed to go and then pick up with the contractors, have them actually start installing. So you can see here, got some beautiful appliances that we left over. But kitchens are ripped out, bathrooms are ripped out. The floors and subfloors that needed to be ripped out got ripped out. So I guess I'll give you guys an update on that. And then next week when the materials get here, we'll come back and do the rest of that. So hate having delays, but you know, sometimes you're at the mercy of your supplier. So that's where we're at today. We'll have to push that back a week. We got some other projects we need to put them on anyway. So we'll kind of keep things rolling and get back in here next week. So this is one of the kitchens we ripped all of the stuff out of. Cabinets in here had a ton of mold on them, and just didn't seem like they were worth saving. So ripped those out, exposed the plumbing. We're gonna have the same layout, but come back here with new cabinets. We use a FabiWood product that is pretty, you know, contractor grade, but it has nice finishes. It's durable. They have slow close hinges on them. Usually paint them white, and they've done really well for us. So this wire is being exposed. Come back with a new range here, new microwave over top of it. We'll have a dishwasher in the sink here. We left the linoleum. This was not a subfloor issue that we needed to worry about like we did in some of the other units. So when the material gets here, we'll see. We're gonna come back with a waterproof, like LVT. It looks like tile, but it's actually that waterproof floating floor. So we'll put that kitchen and bathroom, have new nice white cabinets. We'll have new stainless steel appliances, a dishwasher that wasn't here before, and then we'll kind of, you know, get to the paint and stuff like that. So probably gonna have our paint guy come in here and just paint the whole place before we start installing this stuff. So I'm gonna get with him this week, and then hopefully by next week he'll be able to come and spray. We'll get the materials in, and then we'll just be able to put everything in place and kind of roll with it, get it clean as well. So down here, tore these tubs out. This subfloor probably needs to come up. It was kind of on the fringe, but you can see they've just kind of freaking oddballed this shit over the years. But you know, down here we're gonna have a new tub set up. We've got our drain lines exposed, left the plumbing in the wall. This one actually had a leak. If you remember the mushroom video, this one had a leak all the way down the wall. So it was growing mushrooms up there, and you can tell there's been some problems with the like studs underneath of it, have a lot of water damage. So we're gonna let that dry out. We're gonna come back here, probably sister some of these floor joists that have been deteriorated, be able to get it back to level, nice and sturdy, and then, you know, come back with a new surround or insert tub and new plumbing fixtures. Found our vent stack up here, so that's a good thing. Got our wires exposed, which we need to put some nuts on these, but all in all, it's okay. We got it dry, got it drying, got all the subfloor out. We'll get rid of this debris, and then we'll come back in here with new subfloor, that LVT again, new toilet, new vanity, new vanity mirror, new vanity light, new insert, new fixtures, redo all the drywall, we'll be rolling. All the demo work's pretty much done. I just had them keep those appliances out of this roll off altogether. So I'll probably just take those down to the recycling center and get some money back for them. So finishing up out here today, wasn't quite everything that we wanted to get done, but that happens in these things. The demo's all done. I was happy about that. Don't have the materials here that we wanted to kind of lay out and get the next phase going, but I think since those aren't coming till the 10th, probably get the painters in here to paint those first 3 apartments, get all that tidied up, and then when the material gets here, we can just plug it in, get it ready for leasing, get some pictures done, and then get people in those as quickly as possible so that when we move on to phase 2, which is the bigger part of the project, we'll have hopefully income coming in on those other parts of the property. So that's the game. Take it phase by phase, and you know, you've got to roll with the punches when things don't kind of line up exactly like you plan. But things are moving. We get this dumpster out of here today and get to work on the fun stuff. So.